This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Myntra app or website and signing in. This ties payment to your account. Once done, select the item you want and add it to the cart so you reach the checkout flow immediately. Make sure your gift card code and any PIN are handy. Typing errors cause declines. Also confirm your shipping address and preferred delivery speed so payment options appear correctly. Now proceed to the checkout page where payment methods are shown. At checkout, open payment methods and choose the gift card or voucher option. The interface may label it differently, but it's always near coupons. Type the code exactly as printed. Spaces or dashes can be required. Then enter the PIN if prompted and tap Apply. Once accepted, Myntra will show the gift card deduction. If the card covers only part of the order, you will then select an additional payment method to cover the remaining balance. Review totals before confirming the order. Finish by confirming the order and noting the confirmation ID. Take a screenshot showing the gift card deduction for records. If the code is rejected, check expiry date, whether the card is region locked or already used, and ensure you entered characters exactly. Make sure you're applying it to the same account the card was issued for. If problems persist, contact Myntra support immediately with your order ID, screenshot, and gift card details so they can investigate and, if needed, reapply or refund promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.